morning from Gumi. We are all packed up and ready to go. We had a great stay here. I think Crichton's just having a little bit of breakfast. We're doing some construction next door. And he's finding his way around the little mini kitchen here. So yeah, we had a really great stay here. The manager, June, he upgraded us. We got an upgrade once again, and then we also got some washing done. He just went to the hotel washing machine. He said, yeah, no problem, and he put it on for us and put it in the dryer and then delivered it when it was all done. So, I mean, we have experienced that the hotel managers here really go above and beyond. So that has been really comfortable. We're having a quick cup of tea and then we're ready to take off.
All clear.
Well, we're having to ride across car bridge. There's no room for bikes. It's the only way to get to the other side. It says there's a bicycle path, but there's not. Made it across alive. We've run out of chain oil for our chains a day ago now, and they're starting to have some clicking noise happening. The manager of the Soha Hotel where we stayed last night tells us that the landscape from here to Busan is very beautiful. I think it's all been very picturesque and beautiful so far.
This mean? Falling rocks. Oh, nearly had one of them black bugs in my mouth.
big bug. Looks like a wasp, but I don't believe they are. Hello. How's this for a rock face? I don't know if it was a quarry once or what. I don't think so. These little broad walks for the bikes, quite a lot of them around the place, and they're really fun to ride.
Looking for chain oil, but I think he's just doing it for us. Reped. Repedal. Reped.
Can we buy oil? Can we buy oil?
좀 달라고?
Yeah, any oil do you have?
Buy?
이렇게 없는데 이거?
That one or another brand?
여기 라스트인데.
The last one. Ah, okay.
Is it 300 meters?
여기 끝 엔드.
On, straight, this road? On to left. Okay. Thank you.
감사합니다. These people across the road, they must be work for the council. They're just cleaning out in between the pavers, and they've got these little puffs stuck to the back of their bottom so they can sit down easily to do the job. Getting rid of all the weeds, keeping the town tidy.
This is certification box at Daejeon, and it has been a trial getting to this one. We had difficulty with the road signs. We turned where it said turn across the bridge at the last box, and we are positive that it put us on the wrong side of the river.
To have a look at something. Not sure what we're looking at. But it looks impressive all the same.
It's a big spaceship.
So we're just outside Daegu here. We're on the hunt for a bicycle shop to buy some chain oil and some degreaser. We had to go to food bike shops because they didn't actually have chain oil to sell, but one guy was so nice and he greased our chain, oiled our chain I should say, just for free. The Ark.
What is it? The Ark.
That's what it says. It must be some sort of museum. The Ark is an impressive architectural masterpiece, central to the Four Rivers project. It celebrates and integrates the cultural significance of the river through its design. The lower half of the structure is highlighted with striking LED lighting that accentuates its dynamic curves and sleek lines, creating a mesmerizing glow at night. So it looks like a nice spot just to sit for a moment. So while I'm having my rest of my sandwich from this morning, having a little snack, Crichton here just got this degreaser and he just could not wait.
Well, I've only just got enough left to do yours.
So the time is 6 o'clock. We have been riding through a town called Daejeon for the last probably 3 hours, in and out of bushlands. We found a good CU store about an hour and a half ago. We thought we might have found a camp spot, but the area was being patrolled, and we kept on riding. This is a bit of a what do you call it, a guess, because the actual signage told us to turn left, go all the way around this mountain. This must be old, surely. This is not very old. Fantastic. Bit of road. Here we are, out the other side. Okay, so it is now 6:40 p.m. and we have stumbled across this, looks like abandoned or disused old park. It's a really nice looking little park. Got all this exercise equipment that's been overgrown. You get this every now and then along the track. There was some sort of a temple or traditional buildings on the other side of this hill as we come out of the tunnel. This could be a part of that, I don't know. But it's a nice, it's got a real zen feeling about it, this particular little park. And it's got this one little hut in the middle of it, which we have just cleared out all of the debris, and this is where the tent's going. Actually feel better now than what I did this morning. Anyway, if you like what we do, give us a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we will see you in the next one. Thank you very much.